Now that we've looked on how to condense, the next step is, all right, now if we have condensed version, how do we expand it? And by the way, the reason why we're learning this is sometimes when we get the solving logs, if you condense or expand, it actually makes it much easier to solve. So when we expand now, we gotta look and see, all right, what are we multiplying? What powers do we have? Sometimes we're dividing. So if you look at this, we have two things we're multiplying. And it's not a bad idea to do it one step at a time. As you get more familiar, you can say I've got 2, and then I've got log of x squared. But as you get familiar, you'll probably do both at once. Realize, oh yeah, this, if I want, I can put it out front. So if I want to expand this now, it's log base 3 squared plus 2 times log base 3 to the x. All right, ln. Remember, ln is just log base e. Okay, so if I'm going to do this, it's ln of x. And since I'm dividing this, here's what a lot of people will do. They'll say, all right, minus ln of 5. And they'll think, all right, well, these are being multiplied. And they put plus ln. I'm going to move that 2 out in front. Okay? All right, so this is a mistake a lot of people make. Okay? Because in actuality, I'm dividing by both things. And you really need to make sure that, because what you do is say, all right, well, this is my division, and then I separate this. But actually, you're dividing both these things, and you should have a parentheses around here, because dividing by all of this. Okay? So your real answer would be ln of x minus ln of 5 minus 2 ln of y. So make sure anytime everything that's on this bottom, you must be subtracting. Let's skip 3. 3 is pretty basic. But now we get down to something like this, and people are like, whoa, square root. Well, that's the same as 1/2. It's the same as the square root. So when you rewrite this in expanded form, it's 1/2 log of x. All right, and then finally, don't let fractions scare you. As we just saw, there's a fraction. So this would be 1/3, because I was going to multiply these. So 1/3, I put the exponent in front, ln of x. Since it's multiplication, it'd be 4 ln of y. All right.